So why is becoming a learning organization important? It's the emotional ties. When teams buy in, when teams learn and solve problems together, when they share the same vision, there's emotional ties. And these emotional ties have shown to improve performance, productivity, and increase loyalty. Companies with engaged teams outperform others by over 200%. 40% of employees with poor training will leave the company within the first year. Top talent wants career growth, and continuous learning helps improve the services and effectiveness of your organization. Putting off training or learning results in lost money. Nobody wants that. So reinforcing behavior is an essential ingredient to high levels of performance and behavioral change. Due to the pandemic, 80% of employees' workdays have been interrupted, trickling from learning and development departments to full-blown detachment among teams. 85% of workers report some degree of detachment. And so what does all this mean? It means that the value proposition of being a learning organization extends beyond employees to shareholders. Shareholders can often expect better products with far more innovative results from the company's freedom to try new things and its unrelenting focus on building the core capabilities of their internal teams. If you can implement some of these disciplines into your organization, you will cultivate these emotional ties and witness the growth. Have you thought about return on investment for learning?